name is Manmeet Kaur and I am from Mandi Gobindgarh. It is a very small town, and by profession I am an assistant professor with the engineering background. So I was searching for my spectacle removal medical care, and being in the small town, it was very hard job to find a suitable hospital because I have to see in the bigger cities like Ludhiana, Chandigarh and Ambala. So I went through the internet, and many of my friends had recommended me this Bansal Hospital, and it was very good experience here. First of all, I'll let you know that I came in contact with the Mr. Vikram. He is the consultant here. So he has guided me very well about all the techniques, all the procedure, and he has fixed my appointment here. And one day it was like a few days back, on 22nd, I visited the hospital, and they have told me about the surgery and guided me about the various techniques they have. They got this test done within the half an hour or 45 minutes, just this, and after 3 p.m. the doctor was available for the operation. The doctor is Dr. Ashish Bansal. I have already gone through his resume. He has done his post-graduation from the PGI and he was there. So I was well satisfied that he is graduated from there. I believe that it is one of the good hospitals in the Chandigarh. So this is the reason why I came here to Bansal Hospital. And one of the relative has come from Canada. He was to treat his eyes from this hospital. Unfortunately, he could not because of the time shortage. But he has also told me that this is the best hospital. That the Canadians are also recommended this hospital for the eye surgery. So I came here and I got tested in the morning. After that, they have given me the time for the lunch, and they have given me the separate room for the rest for my parents and for myself too. Later, around 3 p.m. I went for the surgery, and it took around 10 to 15 minutes only. So it was a wonderful experience, no doubt. There was a little headache after the operation, but it is just as normal because after surgery you get multiply changes in your body. So doctor has given me the confidence and provided me the comfortable level so that I should not get nervous, because I was wearing the spectacles around 20 years, and it was like around 7 number with the negative sign. So it was a higher power number, and I was having very much trouble because of the spectacles, mostly in the summers because of the sweating. So that's the reason I want to treat my eyes. So doctor has recommended me that I should go for the best latest technique, and consultant Vikram have also told me about the latest techniques they have, and I have gone through this technology. This is the best technique, and it is not available in the northern zone. Chandigarh is also not providing the same, and for the price, I should say that the techniques which are below this technique, they are above 1 lakh or something, but this technique is very reasonable at this hospital. One of the reason is that the hospital is very old. It is around 30 years old hospital. So it was also a level of confidence because of the age that the hospital has been built, and infrastructure is also very good. And apart from the consultancy to the doctors, the staff here is very personable. They have guided me so well. They have given me the personal number, and she has called me to ask about the recovery. She had called me to ask about my medicines, that I am taking on time or no, and they are also guiding you about each medicine how you have to take. So overall experience in this hospital was wonderful, and it was like I felt that I am in the right hands for my eye surgery. Thank you so much.